Please activate the subtitles.
I am Color, Roger Color, and this video is going to be very quick. The objective of this video is for you to practice your pronunciation. So if you're a basic student, intermediate student, advanced student, doesn't matter, the video is for you. So I will basically say some sentences and you will repeat after me.
Why?
Well, you know that the best way to practice pronunciation is by repetition.
So repetition is the best way to practice pronunciation? I didn't know that.
So you listen to a native person, for example, speaking, and then you repeat after this person, trying to imitate the rhythm and the speed. You know, this is really important to have the perfect pronunciation. And pronunciation is really important. From this video on, I'm going to provide you with the MP3 file so you can listen to this video. So if you don't have time to watch the video, you can just download the MP3 of the video and listen to me as you're driving or going to school by bus, for example.
Well, that's very good. I'm gonna listen to your voice all the time, Roger.
That's good. Because as I said, one of the most important things when you're studying a language is to be exposed to the language and listen to English being spoken for a longer period of time. So it's going to be good. So you just need to subscribe to the channel and download the MP3 file of the classes from now on, okay? So today I'm going to say some sentences, some common sentences in English, some funny sentences, some crazy things, but everything in English, and you just have to repeat. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to say the sentence the first time really slowly and you repeat after me. Then I'm going to say the same sentence again, but now at the natural speed. Okay, and then you repeat after me. Try to copy my speed and my rhythm. It's really important. So let's do it. What is your name? What's your name? My name is Roger. My name's Roger. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. How are you? How are you? I am okay, thanks. I'm okay, thanks. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Brazil. I'm from Brazil. What's your nationality? What's your nationality? How old are you? How old are you? I am 26 years old. I'm 26 years old. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in São Paulo. I live in São Paulo. Where do you go to school? Where do you go to school? I study at home. I study at home. What do you do? What do you do? What is your job? What's your job? What is your occupation? What's your occupation? I am a student. I'm a student. I am a teacher. I'm a teacher. I am a professional dancer. I'm a professional dancer. Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I do. I dance naked in the shower. Yes, I do. I dance naked in the shower. What is your passport number? What's your passport number? What is your cell phone number? What's your cell phone number? My cell phone number is 1190885467. My cell phone number is 1190885467. Would you like to go out tonight? Would you like to go out tonight? Yes, that's a great idea. Yeah, that's a great idea. Would you like to eat pizza later? Would you like to eat pizza later? I'm sorry, I can't. I have an appointment with my doctor. I'm sorry, I can't. I have an appointment with my doctor. Why are you studying English? Why are you studying English? Because it's important for my future. Because it's important for my future. Why do you love Rodger color? Why do you love Rodger color? Because he's sexy and his body is delicious. Because he's sexy and his body is delicious. How often do you brush your teeth? How often do you brush your teeth? I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I brush my teeth 3 times a day. Have you ever traveled abroad? Have you ever traveled abroad? Yes, I have been to many different countries. Yes, I've been to many different countries. How long does it take you from your house to work? How long does it take you from your house to work? It takes me around 45 minutes. It takes me around 45 minutes. How do you go to work? How do you go to work? How do you go to school? How do you go to school? I go to work by car. I go to work by car. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. Who is your best friend? Who's your best friend? My best friend is Rodger color. My best friend's Rodger color. Why? Why? Because he is sexy and his body is delicious. Because he's sexy and his body is delicious. Can you cook? Can you cook? Can you swim? Can you swim? What is your favorite school subject? What's your favorite school subject? My favorite school subject is English, but I like math too. My favorite school subject is English, but I like math too. What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? I would like to eat 4 bananas. I'd like to eat 4 bananas. I would like to drink vodka and todinho. I'd like to drink vodka and todinho. What do you have for breakfast? What do you have for breakfast? What do you have for lunch? What do you have for lunch? What do you have for dinner? What do you have for dinner? For breakfast, I have bread with butter, vodka and tardinho. For breakfast, I have bread with butter, vodka and tardinho. For lunch, I eat fish and I drink milk. For lunch, I eat fish and I drink milk. For dinner, I have a cucumber with wine. For dinner, I have a cucumber with wine. Do you have plans for the weekend? Do you have plans for the weekend? Yes. I will visit my grandmother at the hospital. Yes, I'll visit my grandmother at the hospital. Oh my God, what does she have? Oh my God, what does she have? Nothing. She's old. Nothing, she's old. What is your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is black. My favorite color is black. Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? What does he look like? What does he look like? What does she look like? What does she look like? Yes, I have a girlfriend. She's extremely beautiful. Yes, I have a girlfriend. She's extremely beautiful. I would like to have a cup of coffee now. I would like to have a cup of coffee now. I'd like to have a cup of coffee now. I'd like to have a cup of coffee now. Would you like some sugar in your coffee? Would you like some sugar in your coffee? Would you like some sugar in your coffee? No, thanks. No, thanks. You are welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. How do you say door in your language? How do you say door in your language? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't know. I don't know. I can't remember. I can't remember. Can you speak slowly, please? Can you speak slowly, please? What are you doing now? What you doing now? I am studying English with Rodger. I'm studying English with Rodger. Is he a good teacher? Is he a good teacher? Yes, he is great and his body is delicious. Yeah, he's great and his body is delicious. What is the weather like? What's the weather like? It is hot and sunny now, but it will definitely rain later. It's hot and sunny now, but it will definitely rain later. How do you know that? How do you know that? I saw the weather forecast yesterday. Oh, I saw the weather forecast yesterday. Would you rather go to the beach or to the mountains? Would you rather go to the beach or to the mountains? Would you rather go to the beach or to the mountains? Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Right now, please remember to download the MP3 for this class so you can keep practicing, okay? It's very good that you practice repeating the same sentences over and over again, not only once, not only twice, but like 10 times each. That's the best way to do that. Please download the MP3 file for this class and practice your English when you're driving your car, when you're taking the bus, wherever you go. Take my voice with you. I have officially started teaching on Skype, so if you want to be my private student, please just get in touch with me on this email here on the screen, okay? And then we can talk about availability and prices. If you have subscribed to the channel and sent me an email asking for the PDF files, and if you haven't received the PDF files yet, please check your spam folder. Some students have told me that my emails are going straight to their spam folder, so please, if you sent me a message asking for the PDF files and if you haven't received them yet, please check your spam folder. My mail is probably there. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, like our page on Facebook, follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. Please join our group on Telegram and practice your English with voice messages and text messages. And now, download the MP3 file for this class. So thank you very much for everything, and I'll see you next class.